welcome back to my channel SAP PPQM. So today we are going to discuss about the creation of bill of material, work center, routing. So in yesterday's session we have discussed about material master creation. Okay. So in last session I forgot to show you the organization structure as well. So while creating material master, system will ask the plant and storage location, like in which plant this material should be production order should be created. So yesterday I have set default values in my system, those plant and storage location. That is the reason the screen is not appeared while creating material master. So today I will show you because I have removed the default values. Okay. So in search option, click mm01 or type mm01, enter. So I will take one example, hit enter, choose these views. Okay, I will choose these four views. When I click on continue, it will ask in which plant this material should be produced. Okay, so I will enter 1000 plant, and in which storage location the final product should be available. Okay, if I click F4, you can see these are the plants available in SAP or by default. So I will choose based on the plant that which storage location is available. I will choose 0001. This storage location is available in this 1000 plant. Okay. When I click on continue, it will allow us to create a material master. Okay, so this is the thing. Yesterday the screen is not appeared because I have set the default values. Okay, so today I have removed that one. Okay, no problem. So today we are going to create bill of material. Okay, so bill of material is nothing but to making a final product, how many semi-finished goods are required, how many semi-finished components are required, how many raw materials are required. So the planning should be updated in SAP. Okay, so the list of components which will combine and produce one final product, that is we called bill of material. Okay, so the T code is for bill of material is CS01. So if you type the in search box like CS01, hit enter, it will navigate to create bill of material initial screen. Okay, so yesterday we have created three materials in SAP. So what is that? First one is final product like electric bike FG, and in which plant this material master is created. In 1000 plant I have created this material master. And BOM usage. BOM usage means for which purpose this BOM is going to create it. Okay, so I am using production. For production purpose I am using this BOM, and there are so many purpose is there to create a BOM like engineering or design, plant maintenance, sales and distribution. So all these usages are available, but as a production person I am going to use this BOM for production purpose only. Okay, so inside this bike FG I am going to give the semi-finished component. Okay, because for electric bike FG, if this bike should be assembled, then I need this semi-finished product as well. Okay, hit enter. So here for making one FG I required one more SFG. Okay, I will enter electric bike SFG. Don't confuse that because these materials are already I have created in SAP. So I am giving electric bike SFG as a I required one quantity to making this final product. Okay, when I hit enter, so this is the SFG component and this is the final product. So for making one final product I required one quantity of semi-finished material. Okay, I will click on save. So the bill of material is created for FG. So in the same way I required SFG should be available. So for SFG I required raw material. So I need to create a bill of material. Okay, now if you see downside BOM is created for electric bike FG. So now I am going to create a bill of material for SFG also, because if we get raw material, then only the semi-finished product will be created. If the semi-finished product is available, then only we can produce a final product. So in the same way, I am going to create a bill of material for semi-finished product as well. Okay, the same plant and production BOM usage I have used, and click enter, again hit enter. So here what I will give, electric bike raw material. Okay, this is the metal master. Yesterday we have created as a raw material, and I will give. So for making one SFG I required one raw material. Okay, so I hit enter. Here you can see we have a delete option. So this one I have typed by mistakenly, so I will delete this raw material 20 item. So I have deleted. Okay, no problem. So now for making one semi-finished product I require one raw material. So what I will do, I will click on save. So now you can see, now bike SFG bill of material also created. Now suppose if I want to see or display the bill of material, I will go to display mode. Here only the option will be available, display change, but the T code for display is /n CS03. okay, /n means we are going back and we are giving another T code CS03 to display the raw product of the bill of material. Okay, so what I will give, electric bike FG, and hit enter. So if you see, for making one finished product I required one semi-finished product, and here you can see assembly. So here the checkbox is there, means there is one more sub assembly is there for this SFG. So if I double click on this SFG product, it will navigate to another screen like display assembly. When I click on continue, it will navigate the SFG bill of material. Okay, so now if you see, there is no checkbox for raw material because there is no another sub assembly level for the raw material. So now the bill of material also we have created. Okay, now we are going to create a work center. So work center, as I told earlier, that work center is a consist of machines or group of machines. Okay, the master data related which we are going to performing routing. Okay, routing means the sequence of operations which we are going to perform in work center. There we are going to define, okay, which work center we are going to define in routing only, but we are going to create a work center. Okay, so the T code for work center is CR01, okay, for create, and CR02 for display, and CR03 for CR02 for change, CR03 for display. So here I am going to create one work center. Okay, so what I will give, I will give EV underscore bike work center name I have given in 1000 location. Okay, and work center category, if we click F4, here you can see, as I told, we are going to give the name of work center and the category will be machine or group of machine, like the work is going to done with one machine or group of machine. Okay, or it is going to assemble with labor means the shop floor person who are working on the work center, and group of labor. So we are going to choose machine as a work center. Okay, hit enter. Okay, the work center is consist of different, okay, master data records related to like basic data view, default view, capacities, okay, all these things. So here I am going to be testing the work center. Okay, then hit enter. Okay, so it will these are the tabs available in basic data. Work center category we have given already, machine and person responsible who is working on this work center. We need to provide the person responsible and which location, the production area location. Okay, and usage, and this work center are going to use for all task list in the sense routing. Okay, here this work center we can use for any, so there are different type of routings are available like routing, rate routing, master. I will discuss later on those points. So usage we are going to give all task list type, and here the setup time you can give minutes. Okay, are not required to provide, and this is a standard value key like we are going to do normal production. In default values we have control key. Okay, control key like the indicators will be there, confirmation indicators will be there inside the control key. So these are configuration part I will discuss later. At all we have covered this prerequisites, later we will discuss on this. Okay, and here you can see setup time, machine time, these values are going to update in routing only. Okay, so the setup time, machine time, how much time is required to start the machine, how much work is required. Okay, how much time labor has spent on that work center, all these values should be updating routing level and capacities. Okay, these are the formulas are there available in this work center. So these are the standard configuration which we will discuss later on. And this is a category, as I told, machine as a category we have chosen for this work center. And here this costing, this field is related to controlling department. Like based on this, they will decide how much hours the production is done. Okay, how much cost is required to making the final product on this workstation. All these fields are available in work center. So I will save this workstation. Okay, now you can see the EV bike in plant 1000 was created. So now we are going to create a routing. Okay, the T code for routing is CA01. Okay, if I click /n in search box, hit enter, it will go to main screen. Now in the same search box, if I go enter CA01, okay, it will open create routing. If you see downside, so I am going to create a routing for final product. Okay, so final product we require routing, and semi-finished also we require routing. Okay, so what I will do, I will give the material plant and hit enter. So here if you see the usage will be production. Okay, so if you see the production and status, it will be released for general. Okay, so this routing is released. Okay, released for general means it will applicable for all. Now we are going to operation tab. Okay, this is the tab. These are the many tabs are available. Material assignment means this routing can be used for different product as well. In that time we are going to assign the material, I mean the work will be same for the same another material also. So on that time only we are going to assign a material assignment. Okay, and I will go to operations now. So we have created EV underscore pipe. When I click hit enter, okay, so the data which is available in work center, it will see I have told that the setup time we need to provide the 10 minutes setup time is there. Okay, now machine time will be 15 minutes. Okay, now labor time I will hit enter. So the labor time will be 20 minutes. So randomly we can give, no problem. Now again hit enter. Okay, so if for making FG product in this work center we have one operation. So the operation is like I will enter welding. So in this routing for this product, and in this workstation the person responsible for this workstation will do welding work. Okay, welding operation. We can assign the same way. Okay, now suppose in the same, after completing this welding work, I will do assembly work. Okay, assembling the parts. So first operation is completed, then we are going to perform assemble the parts. Okay, here also if I click hit enter, then the setup time will be, we give any time, and machine time we will give 15 minutes, and labor time we will give 30 minutes. So now when we click save, so the routing is created for finished product. In the same way I am going to create for semi-finished product also one routing. Okay, when I click hit enter, the same way the usage is 1, status is 4. Okay, and go to operations, give the work center. Okay, hit enter, give the setup time 10 minutes, machine time 15 minutes. So the setup time, machine time, labor time, what is this means? Suppose in any industry if you are going to start any work, then the machine requires some time to start. Okay, they are going to do maintenance check every day. They are doing maintenance check manually for 5 to 10 minutes. So that is what we will set up time is the same thing only. Okay, and machine time, how much time the machine will be start. Okay, so all these things we are going to update in routing level. So here I will do so packing the SFG. So in this workstation we are going to pack the material. So I have created only one work center, that is why I am using the same workstation in the every routing. So if you want, you can create one more one more workstation, and you can assign the same here. Okay, I will save this one. Okay, now we have created routing for semi-finished product also. For raw material, the raw material is coming out of the company. Okay, it is coming outside, we are purchasing the raw material. So inside we are not doing any work center or routing, nothing. Okay, because the product is coming from different vendor. So that is the reason we are not going to create a routing for vendor material. So now we have created the master data. Okay, we have created material master, bill of material, work center, and routing. Okay, so today we have created bill of material. Okay, I will type in Word document as well. So BOM in the sense bill of material. The T code for BOM is T code, CS01 for create, CS02 for change, CS03 for display, and we have created work center. So T code for work center is CR01 for create, CR02 for display, change, CR03 for display, and routing we have created. So CS01 for create, CS02 for change, CS03 for display. So these are the master data we have created. Okay, material master, BOM, work center, and routing. So tomorrow I will give overview about production version, where we are going to use production version.